friends. Today I'm going to show you how to have a conversation between two characters in Scratch. So what we're going to do first is we're going to select the two characters that we're going to use. So I'm going to go ahead and delete the cat because I want to choose my own two characters. I'm going to go down here to this button right here that has a picture of a cat and a plus sign. This is where I choose my sprite. Sprite is another word for character. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the magnifying glass. That will let me look at all of the different options that they have. So here are all the different options of different sprites you can choose from. So I'm just going to select two characters that I want to have a conversation between. So let's see, we'll do the duck. And then I'll have to follow the steps again to make a new character. So I come down here to the choose a sprite. I click on the magnifying glass and then I select, let's do a chick. Okay, and then I can move them on the screen where I would like them. I can also add a background. So in order to add a background, I hit this button right here. It says choose a backdrop. And then I'm going to hit the magnifying glass again to search for it. Since I kind of have animals, I'm going to select an outdoor background. And then I can kind of see which one would kind of match the animals that I want to use. So let's do a farm. Okay, and then I could kind of move my characters around again where I would like for them to go. And notice the duck is facing away from the chick. I can fix that. So I'm going to click over here on the duck. And I'm going to click over here where it says costumes. Okay, now right here it says flip horizontal. When I click that, the duck will face the opposite direction. And now he's facing the chick. Okay, so now I'm ready to add in my conversation. So I'm going to come over here to where it says code. And I'm going to have the duck say something first. So I'm going to start with my event block. That's going to go first. Okay, so that means that the program will run when I click on the green flag. See the green flag over here? So that's my event block. I want to have that first. Okay, so my program will start when we click on the green flag. So now I am going to have the duck say something because for this video, we're just working on having a conversation. So I'm going to click over here on where it says looks, and you'll see two different say blocks. You'll see this one that says say hello for 2 seconds, and this one that just says say hello. Okay, if I use this one, it doesn't have a time frame, so he's just going to say hello pretty much forever. So when I click that, there's no time frame. So I do not want to use this block. I want to use this one at the top that has an amount of time that he will talk. Okay, now I can click in this little bubble and I can put in the text that I want. So I'm going to say, hello, little chick. Okay. Now, when I hit the green flag, he will say, hello, little chick. Okay. Now, since this is a conversation, when you have a conversation with somebody, one person says something and then someone else says something. So now we are going to have to tell the chick that it's your turn to talk. In order to do that, we're going to have to send a message through the code. So the code will let the chick know when it's his turn to speak. So we're going to go over here to where it says events again. And down here, it says broadcast message. So we're going to use the broadcast message and wait because we want to have a time frame again. And we're going to name that one chick 1. Okay, awesome. So now this message is going to broadcast to let the chick know it's your turn to speak. Okay, so let's go over here to the chick and we'll have his part now. So we need an event to start the action. The event that's going to start the action is going to be when the chick gets the message that it's his turn to talk. So up here, you'll see where it says when I receive. So I'm going to put that as my event block. So when the chick receives the chick one message, it's going to know it's its turn to talk. So we'll come back over here to looks and we'll say, hello, duck. Okay, so let's see what it looks like so far. So notice that the chick did not say his line until after the duck said his line. That's because we used messaging. So now let's do another message so that the duck knows that it's his turn to talk again. So remember, we go over here to events. We're going to broadcast. We don't want to broadcast chick one because that was for the chick to talk. So we're going to click on new message and we're going to call this one duck one. Okay. Then we're going to come back to the duck. And now we're going to say, when I receive duck one, we're going to tell him what to do. So when I receive duck one, he'll have to say something. So we'll just have him say, would you like to play with me? Okay. So let's see what we have so far. Hello, little chick. Hello, duck. Would you like to play with me? Okay. Then you could have the conversation keep going. Okay. So in this video, we learned how to add conversation between two characters in Scratch. I would love to see if you add on to this project. You could have the chick say something back, or you can even add in some motion, which we'll work on motion in another video. Hope that was helpful. Bye.